Hi friends, Vinod here. So today I am unboxing the latest smartphone from OnePlus, that's OnePlus Nord. So what we see here is the OnePlus Nord pop-up box. So what's the pop-up box like? So we are going to reveal that shortly. So because of the current environment that we are in right now, we are not able to go to a OnePlus pop-up that happens at the OnePlus official store. So what they have done is they have created a box here to give us an unboxing experience. So we are having this privilege of unraveling this OnePlus Nord pop-up box early on since we are Red Cable Club members. So being part of the OnePlus community, that's a privilege that we are getting. So the official availability of the OnePlus Nord on Amazon and OnePlus site will be from August 4th. So here we are unraveling the box. So this is pretty much the box that we got. So it's the OnePlus logo here and the OnePlus Nord branding here. So what do we have here? We have some brand stickers. So that's the invoice. As part of the pop-up box, we are getting a special hard case, which I will reveal later. That's a vacuum sealed water bottle from OnePlus, and it has the Nord branding on it. So that's pretty much on what the additional things we get with the OnePlus Nord pop-up box. So here is the main product. So this is what you precisely get when you order from the OnePlus website or from Amazon. So not the pop-up box. So I'll keep the box away. So we'll start unboxing of the main product. That's the OnePlus Nord itself. Here we have a seal. So this way Nord. So that's a nice way of presenting their new model, OnePlus Nord. So that's the handset. I'll come to this later. We'll see what's all in the box. So it's a welcome letter from the Nord team. So Mr. Pete Law and team has sent us a welcome letter. Thank you, Chief. So all the paperwork related to the warranty card and instructions manual, the SIM card ejector, and we have a case which is a soft case and which is pretty useful and very handy. So what's next is the 30T warp charge adapter and the red cable. It's a Type-C USB 2.0 charging cable. So that's pretty much what's in the box. So setting aside the box, we'll now come to the device. Opening the device now. So there are two color variants which are available. So I have gone for the onyx gray and I love this. And the other option is of marble blue, which is also a wonderful color. So that's pretty much the phone. So what we have here is the best part of the phone, the quad cameras set up at the rear, two front cameras. So one is an ultra wide angle lens. There's an alert slider, which is a feature in all the new OnePlus smartphones. The SIM tray, SIM ejector tray at the bottom, the Type-C USB 2 port at the bottom, and then the mono speakers. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's pretty much it, and I would be switching it on. So while it's booting, I'll just like to tell you some of the features. It's the operating system is Oxygen OS, which is there on every OnePlus device, and it's powered by Android 10. So Oxygen OS is the UI over and above Android 10, which is the latest Android OS. So the processor here is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G platform processor. So it supports 5G. So it comes with a fluid MOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. It's a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it comes with a pre-applied screen protector. So that's my booted up OnePlus Nord, never settle. So there are multiple options in the storage and the RAM capacity. So I have taken the 12GB RAM with 256GB ROM option. It comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and it will also come with a 6GB RAM and a 64GB ROM. That will come in September. In August you will have the 8GB and 12GB RAM options. So one comes with 128GB storage and the 12GB comes with 256GB storage. So now on to the quad camera setup at the rear. It borrows its main camera from OnePlus 8, which is its flagship device. So that's a 48 megapixel camera with a Sony IMX586 sensor. It also comes with optical image stabilization (OIS). The next camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. Then there is a 5 megapixel depth lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. So that's the quad camera setup with a dual LED flash. So coming to the dual front cameras. So the main front camera is a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor camera, and the next camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens for your ultra wide selfies, which will be very helpful for specifically for groupies. So the fluid MOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate is amazing to swipe through. It's quite easy user interface. So it comes with an alert slider, so that's quite helpful. An in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, Bluetooth, NFC and GPS positioning, and all your regular sensors. The battery is a 4115 mAh battery, and it comes with a 30T warp charge for fast charging. It supports fast charging, yes. So that's pretty much on the device. I have not done the entire setup yet. I'll be doing that in a bit. And just to show you the camera, so I'm just trying out the cameras. So I'm clicking some selfies in the normal mode as well as the ultra wide mode, just to show you some perspective about the cameras. So that's a pic I have taken from the rear camera. That's a normal selfie and that's an ultra wide selfie. So in the ultra wide you can see what kind of coverage you have. So that's pretty much covering a good wide area, and even the normal selfie is a good one. So that's pretty much on the device, and it's a very wonderful package from OnePlus in the mid-range. It's not a flagship device, as we all know, but there are some excellent features. It's 5G ready, it's quad camera setup, it's dual selfie camera, and all the features. It's a premium look, so the premium finish on the edges. It's nice curve on the edges, as you can see. So that's pretty much on the OnePlus Nord. So looking forward to use it and provide my reviews later on. Thank you.